So this is, we go to these lila stalis and we think, oh, my Swamini, she walked here, she touched this malati, lata. How fortunate I am to be here. How fortunate are these lata devis. Then it's because it's talking about the dust of Vrindavan. So don't take the dust for granted. I said, don't take the dust for granted. The Brajaduli. It's very powerful. Like I went to one of my favorite places the other day, and I wanted to take some dust from the ground, you know, from the lila stali, and eat it. So I was paying obeisance at the one tree, and the one tree was one of those kind of twisty trees of Braj, you know, that don't grow more than 8 feet, but they twist all around, all over the places. You know, they go down like this. Those amazing trees of Braj, they're all Tera pear. They're all like this. Like they grow like this, and they go along the ground like this, and they grow up like that. Have you seen? Very strange type of trees. Very amazing, transcendental. So the tree was growing near where my head was, just by chance. It was also split, and that's another thing. Usually trees split; they're finished. You know, it was split open. It was like lightning bolt, but it was still growing. The two sides were alive, and the middle was. And I looked up, and there was a bunch of Braja inside that tree. I said, "Well, now this is really high. This is rarefied. This is not only Lila Stali Brajaduli, but it's inside this Lila Vriksha, Kalpa Vriksha, inside the hollow. You know, the hollow, like the hollow of the tree was inside." I said, "This is really good." It's like primo. You know? So this is the Brajaduli. Wherever we go, the dust is very powerful. This Brajaduli is Dibya, transcendental. It's Chintamani, Bhumi. These are thought fulfilling particles. Particle, kan. If you just touch this dirt, and because when you're walking barefoot in the Braj, you're thinking of Krishna and Radha on Parikama, and remembering their pastimes, and you're praying the qualified enter there and serve there. And all those thoughts are being registered in the dirt, in the Brajaduli. And this Braj will fulfill those thoughts, because your feet are in contact with this Chintamani. These are thought-fulfilling particles. Each particle of dust of Vrindavan can give us Krishna Prema.